Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, February 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I still think this is an uptrend on these higher time frames. I still think it's going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows. Most likely eventually go up and take out these highs. I still think one of these higher Fibonacci extensor levels is the most likely place for this to go. And I actually still think it's going to be a wave C, especially looking at correlated pairs and the US dollar index. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I believe we're already in that wave three. I think this first push up is a one of three. I think we're still in a wave two of three, and I still think at some point it's going to go up and finish off this wave three, eventually making that big wave four and wave five. So keeping all that in mind, let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the pound definitely did make a pretty strong move up last week, but I still think it needs to go down one more time. And we do have CPI coming out tomorrow for the US dollar, so we're gonna have to see. I think the CPI news is what's actually going to cause this to end the correction. This first move up, the five waves up, is probably a one. I think this is an A, B, C, D, E of wave two, and I still think we're going to go up and make a wave three. And on the higher time frames, this is all part of a bigger wave three. So I think this is just a subdivision, like a wave one of three, two of three, and three of three. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I think we have the end of a crescent forming this morning. I think it's impulsive up wave A, one, two, three waves down wave B. I can even see a one, two, three, four, five waves up for what I think is a wave C, turned right at the 50% level. Nice impulsive move down, break of structure. Looks to me like we have the end of a crescent, and I bet between tomorrow or today and tomorrow's CPI news, this is going to continue to down, probably back towards one of those Fibonacci levels that I was showing on the daily time frame. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, like I said, it definitely looks like a end of a crescent. One, two, three, four, five. Nice end of a trend for the A. One, two, three waves down B. It looks like an ending diagonal wave C. One, two, three, four, five of wave C. And an ending diagonal really should only happen in a wave C or like a wave five. So it definitely makes a lot of sense. Nice impulsive down, break of structure, add a 50% Fibonacci retracement. I think there's a very good likelihood this is the end of a correction, and I think that between today and tomorrow's news, the CPI US dollar news, that this will continue to drift down, telling me that I would definitely continue to look for shorts at the end of any pullbacks that I see, especially on the shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.